direct movies.
What about an astronaut? Oh, I know. I want to be a rock star.
Yeah.